Experiencing nighttime alarms on your Tesla Model 3? It's a common issue caused by the car's sensitive sensors reacting to environmental factors like wildlife, wind, or even shadows. The Tesla Model 3 uses ultrasonic sensors, cameras, and Sentry mode for intrusion detection. These are designed to protect your vehicle, but they can misinterpret benign movements as threats. Ultrasonic sensors emit sound waves to detect motion within a 5 to 10 meter radius. High sensitivity can trigger alarms from minor vibrations like wind or small animals. Cameras in Sentry mode provide visual confirmation and monitoring when parked. At night, they can be overly vigilant, leading to false positives from shadows or wildlife. Environmental factors like swaying trees, passing animals, or headlights can activate these systems. But don't worry, there are effective ways to address this through settings and updates. Tesla's V13.2 software introduced Adaptive Sentry, an AI-powered feature that uses machine learning to analyze and classify different events around your vehicle. This intelligent system learns to tell the difference between actual security threats and harmless disturbances, dramatically cutting down on those annoying false alarms, especially at night. The AI continuously adapts based on your driving patterns and environmental feedback, improving its accuracy over time through machine learning algorithms. If you own a refreshed Model 3 from 2024 or later, you'll benefit from upgraded ultrasonic sensors that have improved range and noise filtering capabilities. These sensors are better at ignoring distant movements or minor vibrations that could previously trigger unwanted alarms. Access your Tesla's touchscreen or Tesla app. Navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Alarm Settings. Here you can adjust the sensitivity levels of the alarm system. On the touchscreen, you'll see the Safety Settings menu as shown here. The Alarm Settings area allows you to customize sensitivity. A lower sensitivity reduces the chance of false alarms from minor vibrations or small animals. A higher sensitivity is suitable for areas with genuine security concerns. Sentry mode is great for security, but it can be overly sensitive at night, triggering alarms from environmental factors like wildlife or wind. To manage this, access the Sentry mode settings through the Tesla app or the car's touchscreen under Controls, Safety, and Security. In the app, go to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Sentry mode settings. Use the Sentry mode schedule feature to automatically disable Sentry mode during low-risk hours, such as from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. This prevents unnecessary alerts while you sleep. You can also adjust sensitivity levels here if needed, though the schedule is the key for nighttime control. This setup maintains security during the day and high-risk periods while eliminating unnecessary nighttime alerts. Where you park significantly impacts alarm triggers. Park in well-lit areas to minimize shadows that can activate the sensors. Avoid parking near trees or bushes that wildlife might frequent. This simple change can greatly reduce false alarms. Wildlife like raccoons can trigger sensors when they move near your vehicle. Choosing the right parking location can dramatically reduce false alarm triggers. If basic adjustments like changing sensitivity or parking location don't resolve persistent nighttime alarm issues, try performing a sensor reset. This can help recalibrate the ultrasonic sensors and cameras that detect motion. First, ensure your Model 3 is parked and in park mode to safely perform the reset. Next, hold down the brake pedal. This is necessary to access certain system functions while the car is stationary. While holding the brake pedal, navigate to the touchscreen and turn off Sentry mode. This disables the monitoring system temporarily. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow the sensors to fully reset and recalibrate. During this time, the system clears any temporary glitches. Finally, reactivate Sentry mode through the touchscreen to complete the reset. The sensors should now be recalibrated and more accurate. Tesla is continually improving its alarm system through software updates. The integration of AI allows the car to learn and adapt to its surroundings, further reducing false positives. Keep your Tesla updated to benefit from the latest advancements in security and sensor technology. Recent updates have significantly reduced false alarms, from 15% in 2024 to just 5% in 2026, thanks to AI learning from user feedback and environmental data. The AI system, like Adaptive Sentry, uses machine learning to differentiate between real threats and benign disturbances such as wildlife or wind. Enhanced cameras, radar, and sensors work together with AI to provide more accurate detection. By parking in well-lit areas and keeping software current, you can minimize nighttime disturbances. Future developments include predictive analytics using full self-driving data to anticipate and ignore common disturbances, making Tesla vehicles even more secure. Experts from organizations like J.D. Power praise Tesla's proactive approach to security, noting that the Model 3's alarm system sets a benchmark for EV security. J.D. Power's 2025 Vehicle Dependability Study rated Tesla Model 3 security features at 8 tenths, up from 6 tenths in 2024, citing reduced false alarms. Many owners report significant improvements after software updates. For example, a Colorado owner whose Model 3 was plagued by nightly alarms from deer near their rural driveway saw the issue resolve after the V13.1 update, where Adaptive Sentry learned to classify deer movements as non-threatening. Staying updated and adjusting your settings is key to a quiet night. Tesla's evolution from reactive fixes to predictive AI is a game changer for smart vehicle safety.